Section 4. Clay Hill, Druids, Lodge and Deerlip. From there, remembering there's a small wheelie point just before the braking area, some wheelie points that need to be referenced to get the best out of you and your machine's capability. Throttle. And as you close in on the marshal's hut on the apex, then roll the throttle off and squeeze the brakes on. As you're at a big angle of lean, you must be careful not. Okay, let's see that section run again at normal pace. Braking harder as the bike comes upright with a steady tip into cascades. Careful not to run wide at the exit, and then it's a fast run down the lakeside towards Island Bend, and during the braking keep the bike over to the left. As you approach the chicane, there's a tarmac strip running across the track,